for this one, it'd be used for like coughs and any issues with on the respiratory side of things, coughs and colds. And the twigs and leaves would be used for astringent washes or poultices. If you were to ever smell the bark, it has like I guess like a spearmint flavor. They say like traditionally that they would harvest from the east side of the tree, and that being like that's the first place the sun comes. In other areas, the bark was known to be lined for the inside of canoes. In this area, for the wetus or the those like wigwam structures, like the geometric domes that are made out of saplings, the bark would sometimes be